Welcome to this comprehensive guide on CI/CD, or continuous integration and continuous deployment. This is a fundamental practice in modern software development that automates the process of building, testing, and releasing code. CI/CD helps teams deliver high-quality software faster and more reliably. Throughout this series, we will explore what CI/CD is, how it works, the tools used, best practices, and how to implement it in your own projects. A CI/CD pipeline consists of four main stages. First is the source stage, where developers write and commit code to a repository. Second is the build stage, where the code is compiled and prepared for testing. Third is the test stage, where automated tests verify that the code works correctly. Finally, the deploy stage automatically releases the code to production. These stages work together to create a continuous flow from code to users. While CI and CD are often mentioned together, they serve different purposes. Continuous integration, or CI, focuses on the development side. Developers merge their code frequently into a central repository, and automated builds and tests run on every commit. This catches bugs early in development. Continuous deployment, or CD, focuses on the release side. Once code passes all CI tests, it is automatically deployed to the production environment, enabling faster and more frequent releases. Many tools are available to implement CI/CD pipelines. Jenkins is a popular open-source option that gives teams full control and flexibility. GitHub Actions and GitLab CI/CD are cloud-based solutions integrated with their respective platforms. CircleCI is another cloud-based tool known for ease of use. AWS CodePipeline is designed for teams using Amazon Web Services. Azure DevOps is an enterprise solution for large organizations. Each tool has strengths, and the best choice depends on your team's needs and existing infrastructure. To succeed with CI/CD, follow these best practices. First, commit frequently. Small, atomic commits enable faster feedback and make it easier to identify and fix problems. Second, optimize for speed. Minimize pipeline execution time so your team can get rapid feedback. Third, implement automated testing. Run comprehensive tests on every commit to catch bugs early. Finally, monitor and measure your pipeline. Track metrics to identify bottlenecks and find opportunities for improvement. Security is critical in CI/CD pipelines. First, implement secrets management. Store credentials and sensitive information securely and never hardcode them in your source code. Second, perform code scanning. Automatically detect vulnerabilities and security issues before they reach production. Third, apply access control. Use the principle of least privilege to ensure only authorized people can make changes. Finally, keep configurations updated. Apply the latest security patches to all systems in your pipeline. CI/CD provides significant advantages for development teams. First, it enables faster delivery. You can deploy code to production multiple times per day instead of once every few months. Second, it improves quality. Automated testing catches bugs before they reach users. Third, it increases reliability. Consistent, repeatable processes reduce human error. Finally, it reduces costs. Fewer manual errors and faster problem resolution save time and money for your organization. Implementing CI/CD comes with challenges to be aware of. Performance is one challenge. Slow builds and sluggish pipeline execution can frustrate your team and slow development. Flaky tests are another issue. Unreliable automated tests that fail inconsistently waste developer time. Environment inconsistency is a common problem. Differences between development, testing, and production environments can cause unexpected failures in production. Finally, team alignment matters. Communication gaps between developers and operations can lead to misunderstandings and conflicts. When implementing CI/CD, follow a structured approach. First, start with CI. Automate builds and tests for your version control system. Get comfortable with continuous integration before moving to deployment. Second, add automated testing. Implement unit tests, integration tests, and code analysis to ensure quality. Third, implement CD. Automate deployment to staging and production environments. Finally, monitor and improve. Continuously measure your pipeline performance and identify opportunities for optimization. By following these steps, you'll build a robust CI/CD pipeline that benefits your entire organization.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.